In Waterfall by Crown Group, we create this experience of arrival.
Crown Waterfall sits on a landscape that is originally a watering hole, and so there's a history of people gathering in the area.
We ask ourselves the question, how can you bring that special place where people can actually be free again?
We were really interested in the idea that the buildings should feel like water has made them. You don't feel like you're in an apartment, you actually feel like you're in the environment and connected to that place. There's also a really great sense of community in the sense of the facilities that we're providing in terms of music rooms and community meeting spaces, gymnasiums and swimming pools.
What's so amazing about the site is the fact that the building itself is surrounded by a massive park, and that's unique. The people that are going to live in this building are people who can appreciate nature and also appreciate art. Waterfall is about energy. Waterfall is about nature. Waterfall is about freedom. Waterfall is about life. As you arrive into the building, you will see this gigantic 7-story waterfall. The vision of Waterfall by Crown Group is to bring a green revolution into Sydney's architecture.